Good morning. This is the newsletter for this week, February 4th through the 8th. In math, Ms. Jones is finishing up teaching Module 7, which this week they're working on applying the perimeter and area to story problems. We are still during tier time. Students are getting pulled into their small groups to work on skills they need more time with, as well as I have an enrichment group. In science, we are still studying fossils. Today we're going to be working on mapping skills for social studies. In Unit 4, we are on Lesson 19 this week. The story is called The Tree is Growing. Our comprehension strategy is text features, and for phonics, we're working on the k and n sound, K and KN. Our STEM activity is going to be creating paper out of things from nature. So, let me stop right there. For the STEM activity, if you have any newspaper that you could send in with students, newspaper, all of the other materials it looks like we have, so any newspaper, send it in with your student. And then for writing, we're working on opinion writing and using the verbs be and helping verbs. Spelling words will come home tomorrow because we are taking our spelling test from last week today. So new spelling words will come home tomorrow. Progress reports will go home on Friday. If you have not sent in a cereal box with your student for their Valentine holders, please do that as soon as possible. On Friday, happy birthday to Mariana, and look out for those progress reports. If you have any questions or concerns, you know how to get a hold of me, and have a great week.